Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and happy December everybody, happy holidays and all that good stuff. So today, as you can tell by the title of the video and the markers in front of me, I will be trying out Ohuhu's new Kaala series markers. I'm so excited. I'm going to do like a quick little unboxing review and I'm going to be coloring a picture with these markers today. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys. And yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the package that the markers came in, and they came in 4 different boxes, all organized with the type of markers that they have: skin tones, illustration tones, landscape, and basic marker tones. So each of the boxes come with your own swatch sheet to swatch the markers. The skin tones comes with 24 markers. It has a little bleed protecting, like from marker bleeding. And oh my gosh, look at this packaging, just too cute. Absolutely love it. This is the basic tones. This one comes with 24 as well. Also has a colorless blender and the little bleed protector as well. And I just love how each of these boxes has their own little art on them. It's so cute. And then this is the landscape tones. It comes with 60 colors. And it also has the little bleeding protector thing, colorless blender, and look at the art on it. I just absolutely love that. Like the island vibes, Hawaii vibes, absolutely love it. This one is gonna be perfect for creating your landscape scenes, ocean, forest, plants, all that kind of stuff. Then you've got your illustration markers. Love the art on it, so cute. Really like this one because it has lots of pastels in this one. So in total there's 168 markers, so you'll have enough for all of your coloring desires. So I'm gonna do the swatches because that is super important, and I'm gonna go right into the drawing. Also, before I get started, while I was doing the swatches, one of the markers came completely dry. It was the yellow gray, but I'm not mad about it because I've got plenty of markers where that came from. So other than that, great job, Ohuhu. So for my drawing, I decided that I wanted to do a cute little winter girl since, you know, it's winter, it's the holidays and everything, and I just kind of wanted to, you know, keep it in those vibes. And so I drew some earmuffs on her, and I also gave her some bear ears, but really just so I could fill up the top of the page since I kind of made her a little bit low. And now I'm using Ohuhu's fine liner pens, which they actually sent me in a little gift that they sent. I will probably show you guys that maybe like in a short, or maybe I'll post a YouTube video of it. But oh my gosh, you guys, when I first started using these pens, I was just like, wow, this is way better than the Copic multi-liners. As soon as I put the pen on the paper, the ink was just flowing out very consistently, and I felt like I can almost like sketch with it like a pencil. So that way I didn't feel like the ink was coming out so fast to where I couldn't, like, you know what I mean? Like I felt like I could just take my time with it to where I could kind of sketch, you know, make sketchy lines first. So that way, when I get more confident with my strokes and everything and getting, you know, used to putting the lines on the paper, I can start, you know, being more bold with the lines and, you know, putting more pressure on it, if that makes sense. So I really love these. These are probably like my favorite line art pens now. And I especially love the fact too that when I started to use the eraser, it didn't smudge and it didn't fade out like the Copic multi-liners did. So highly recommend these line art pens. So yeah. Alrighty, so this is a final drawing. I think she came out really cute. And now we're going to color her skin. So I'm opening up the 24 skin tones markers, and now I'm just figuring out the colors. So for the base, I decided to use Buttercup Yellow. So that'll be our base. That's going to be your lightest color. I put a separate sheet of paper aside so I can test the colors before we put them on our illustration. So I decided to choose the darkest shadow color, which was the color Brune. I'll put the little numbers up as well. And then for my mid-tone, I chose Honey. So I've got my light base color, my dark shadow color, and my mid-tone color for blending. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this combo out, and I just drew a little circle. So now I'm just going in with our base color, which is Buttercup Yellow. And I used the chisel side, which I surprisingly love the chisel side. Usually I don't like chiseled, you know, markers and stuff. I've never really like used nibs like this, but I love it. It's so smooth. And yeah, it's just the consistency of the ink. It's just great. And then that, of course, was the shadow color that I just put down. And now we're blending it out with Honey. And you guys, watch this. Oh, wow. I had to come in and just say, look at how that blended. You guys, this is incredible. I'm telling you, oh my gosh. It blended so beautifully. Can we just take a moment? Did you see how that like melted into that? Oh my goodness. That was absolutely gorgeous. Did you see how that? Okay, I just need to take a moment because that was absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if we want to make it like, you know, darker, so I'm going to go in with our broom. I'm going to take that, right? So let's say you want the skin to be a little darker. I'm going to take the mid-tone and just, wait, look at how it blended. Do you see that? Do you see the melt? Oh my goodness. The way that the marker just melted into it so it could blend is gorgeous. Okay, so now we're gonna take mahogany. Okay, so that's a little bit darker than broom, okay? This is why you have to color swatch, because this top looks so much different than the swatch. So we got mahogany to make it a little darker. Oh, you guys, this is the combination. This is the combination. Oh, as you see, I'm speechless. Ohuhu. Copic who? I'm telling you, this right here, the fact that I had to, oh my, look at, I'm taking the mid-tone and I'm blending it. Look, oh my, y'all, it's over. It's over. It turned out so beautifully. Beautiful. We also don't want to forget our peachy blush. Okay, so I think I'm looking towards baby skin pink or powdery orange. It might be baby skin pink, but that's why, you know, we're testing it. That's why it is very good that you test the colors, just to see. We'll see how it looks if I put it on the outside. That's interesting. Okay, it doesn't show up much. Ooh, but it's like slightly showing up. You can see it better off camera, but it's slightly showing up, and it's looking so cute. Let me see what powdery orange. Where are you? Okay, we got a little blush coming through. And this looks beautiful, you guys. I'm excited. These are your colors right here, okay? So I'm glad I tested that. The melt and the blend on these is phenomenal. Like, Ohuhu, y'all know what you're doing. Copic who, like I said again, Copic who, because I don't know you. So, okay, you guys, I'm gonna just go ahead and we're gonna get to coloring because I had to show you that demo because I'm excited. Okay, let me just start before I just ramble on and on, because this is my goodness. Alrighty, you guys, so before we get started, I wanted to share with you all the color map that I put together on Procreate. This is what I do just before I color on the paper, so I make sure I make no mistakes and I figure out all the colors that I want and just figure out what color combination works best. This way you know what you're doing, you're confident in what colors you're going to use with the markers, and you don't have to be afraid of messing up or worry about messing up. So I know I wish I did this years ago when I had first started coloring with markers. I wish I really, you know, took the time to, you know, actually figure out the colors, practice with it, practice the color combinations before I put them down on the drawing. It would have saved me so many drawings that I had to redo, honestly. But I absolutely love how these colors for the darker skin came out. I think it looks gorgeous. I mean, look at that chocolate skin, just beautiful. And I just really love these Kaala series markers. Honestly, at first I didn't think that I was like a chisel tip marker kind of girl, but I was pleasantly surprised at how smooth and easy they were to work with. And the little marker nib tip actually just helps to give you know, get into the more detailed areas. So yeah, loving it. Alrighty guys, so I'm bringing out my color pencils because even though I like the base, I still feel like I want to, make it a little bit smoother. So I'm going to add my color pencils into it. I really think though that the markers are great to, have a nice little base started out for you. I don't always do this, but I just feel like I want to, make it a little bit better. So I've got my color pencils in my little color pencil case right here, which I absolutely love. It's going to be listed down in the link below if you're interested. But it has like, different layers in here, and it's just perfect. So you have some place to put your color pencil so, it doesn't end up everywhere. So yeah, this is going to be on my favorites list on Amazon, which I will link in the description below if you're interested. So yeah. So right here, I just took the test that we did in the beginning with the markers, and I just tried to see what colored pencils will work together. I also tried to blend out with the marker to see if that would work too. So yeah, that was extremely important that I do that before I put the colored pencils on my drawing, and it turned out well. I really like how the color pencils really gave a more warm feel. I really think it's important that when we're coloring skin that we add like a reddish tone, because you have to remember, like in real life, there is blood flowing under the skin, so that just makes your characters look more lively and just adds, just more dimension, and it'll really make your character stand out and pop. And right here, I'm just adding in the highlights. Notice how I kind of drew the highlight lines in first, so that way I could just fill in the base color. And, the highlights are already there. You don't have to worry about anything. I remember back in the day, I would just color the whole thing, and I'd forget about leaving a space open for the highlights. So make sure you do that. And then I'm adding in the shadow color for the hair, which worked out perfectly. So yeah, and then the shirt, I did like a bluish color. I think that was sky blue and pale blue violet, I believe. And I, mixed those two colors together, so it's not just one color, because I do believe like when you add like different colors in it, it does add more dimension than just using one base color. So then that way you just have these different hues, and it just really brings the whole picture together. So yeah, I really love how this turned out, you guys. And of course, you can't forget to use your Jelly Roll white highlighter pen, and boom, yes, all the details are added. She is looking winter ready. Oh my gosh, yes, you guys. And then of course, here is the color map that I did next to the actual coloring on paper. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. She just turned out beautifully. Of course, I just kind of put those color map colors down sloppily because that's not the main piece, but the main piece is looking bomb. So yeah, you guys, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video so I can, give you guys a couple of deets on the discount code that you can use to get these color markers for yourself. So yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed my process, and I will see you all at the end of the video. So let me know what you all think of the picture. Let me know what you guys think. I had so much fun using these markers. Let me know what you guys think about them. And if you'll be getting some, make sure to check the link in the descriptions for a discount code. Just use the code LaRae10 for a 10% discount code. And yeah, you guys, let me know what you guys think about the piece. And make sure you, oh, a little thing is coming out the bottom. Oh well. Make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe. And also, before we go, check out my hoodie. Yes, so if you guys didn't know already, I came out with my own hoodies. I'm super excited about this because it's something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time, is to come out with clothing. And so I decided hoodies because it's hoodie season, it's real cold outside. So I got this, and I really love it. And the message behind it, let me show you the back of it right here. It says things above, Colossians 3:2, which is the verse, set your mind on things above and not on earthly things. And basically for me, that just means to just keep my mind on God and just focus on Him and not all of the things that I have to worry about, and that really is just a good reminder for me every day to just keep going and to not focus on my worries and my doubts or my fears, you know? So this is a little daily reminder plus a beautiful little fashion statement. I really wanted to go for like, you know, the anime comic book style vibes. So this is available on my website on Rawsueshii.com. So make sure you check that out if you want one of your own. But yeah, you guys, I am so happy that I did this video. I had so much fun coloring once again. I literally cannot wait to color more. I know I said that before, but yeah, I really love how this came out. I hope you guys can see it because I can't really like clear it up as well. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next time. Let me put this back right here. Alrighty, y'all. Love you guys so much. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace, love, and God bless my loves. Bye.